Yeah, so little vlog style type video today. We got a package from Wish. Cost me £2, and let's open up this bad boy and see what we get. Yeah. I like them, sorry. Damn, this is looking fire. So we've got the front splitter here. This actually looks alright, you know. Oh my god, it's gloss black. That is, bro, I'm not gonna lie, that's looking a bit saucy, you know. Obviously, so this is probably gonna go on the left side, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is gonna go on the left side, I believe. So go on the left side, so that's one. This is the other one. Right here. Looking a bit sick, to be honest. Like, ignore my bed, it's a bit messy. I just washed my hair. That's why that's my old shirt and that. This is the main part. So obviously we come with some hardware and some instructions. So that's pretty cool. Now for the main event, the front part. So one sec. So it should look something like this, I think. That's like the overview of it. The thing is, yeah, with the hardware, you can rotate it so it can be like whatever thing you want. So this is actually looking alright. The deep touch. So I'm gonna go fit this on the car and just obviously give my review on this. Gloss black, looking good. I opted for the rounded front section because I don't like the pointed part. So yeah, because I'm trying to follow the curve on the original Fiesta bumper. So let's go mount this up, and yeah, now I'll just pick up the camera over there. We got the bumper off. Now let's go flip this splitter. This is gonna be hard. So, ideally, something sort of, I want it to be a bit further back, but I'm gonna have to put the front splitter on first to see how I'm gonna mock this up before I do any cutting. Not 100%, but so I lined it up as much as I could, and right off the bat that looks so sick. I should probably, that side is out, I should probably bring this out a bit more. We'll bring that side over so I can match it. Now, how does that look? That looks sick. That looks absolutely sick, I'm not gonna lie. So it's night time and I line up the splitter perfectly all the way around. And I also, obviously that's not the screw there, but I also use the original screws because mine doesn't have that that splash cover, whatever you call it. So I'm using those holes already to fit through. I'm just gonna go through there and drill into the splitter. So essentially, imagine this is the bumper on top. It goes through this hole, it's already there, and it goes into there. I'm gonna get a washer, or I'm gonna bend this so it doesn't what do you call it? So it doesn't flip in, catch on anything while I'm driving. So I'm gonna do that all the way around. Well, I've got these screws. These screws are smaller, so we're just gonna see what we can do. The instructions are shit, So yeah, let's just get into it. Sorry for the bad quality. Splitter is on the car now. Not on the car, but it's on the front bumper. What I did was I used the existing holes and I screwed it all in. I'm probably going to super glue it or, you know, make it a bit stronger sometime in the future, but as for now, I'm done. I'm tired and it's night time. So let's get this back on the car. Okay, so really quick, I installed a splitter on the car. It came out fantastic. I'm gonna throw some pictures up on the screen right now. Made a little cinematic. I'm gonna let that play. My LED light is flickering, which means it's about to die. So yeah, it's just bugging out right now. So splitter came out great. £2, can't complain. People are asking where do I get it from. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. I paid £2 for it. Absolutely, what a steal. Obviously gonna pay £2 again if it breaks. Like it's not that deep, it's just £2. So yeah, look at the camera, great. Cheers. Yeah, anyway, like I was saying, sorry for this awkwardness. I'm gonna let the cinematic play. Please like, comment, subscribe, and peace.